A critique is an exchange.
A discussion.
A few other sets of eyes in the room.
There are some things in your piece that only you see and that other people won't see.
The best kinds of critiques are the ones where the whole class is participating.
I think the worst crits are when everyone's just staring at your work and literally no one has anything to say.
My drawing professor said that everything that I had tacked onto the wall was cliche, boring, and tacky.
You, as the instructor, you set the tone for the critique.
I want to point out the good qualities, but I also want to point them out in a way where it'll give the artist somewhere to go.
I really try to remember it's my artwork that's being critiqued, and it has nothing to do with me as a person.
The people in my classroom, they created this weird social dynamic. The whole art concept was just like totally new for me.
For me, that was like the first time I had a really bad crit, but I think it actually propelled me more to work harder animation and try and create my own voice.